Welcome to MaxData. MaxData provides elementary students with an intuitive interface for handling and interpreting data. The easy-to-use interface allows students to concentrate on the ideas, relationships, and information being explored. With MaxData, students can collect information, easily design a database, and enter and interrogate data. Students can also use their creativity to create their own customized reports, adding their own notes about what they discovered. The easiest way to familiarize yourself with MaxData is to create a new database using activities. MaxData activities are ready-made databases already populated with useful data. So you click onto this, and then this pops up. You can use an activity to understand how fields help to organize data and how filters and reports help you analyze data and gather statistics. When you've created a new database based on an activity, you can then start to work with the existing data and learn how to analyze the data. You can click the green arrow to get different topics. If you click on, say, the ballparks, press the check mark, and then your database properties come up. You have your name, the description, the preview, and the different records. You can save that. You can click out of it. Also, when using activities, you go back to the activities. They come up and you can pick, say, climate and temperature. You click, and this helps you to organize your data. If you click next, you get temperature. So this gives us a whole chart, and all the data is already organized, and it helps you analyze the data, and you have the statistics, and it's all in the state, the highest record, temperature, the month, the year, the station, where it was, elevation. To create a new database based on a template, you go to the New button, which is the white paper. This screen pops up. You can browse the different things. You can use this. Click the check. And you can always change the name by just editing it, or the description, or you can add or edit your own picture. Click next. And if you want that to be saved, you click the check mark. If you have activities pulled up and you select, say, dinosaurs, click OK because you want to see the database. We're going to see the report of it. We're going to show how you can format these reports. So next, and dinosaurs is what we want. It's going to come up. And here it is. It shows many different types of dinosaurs. All here, the name, the length, the height, the mass. There are different levels of MaxData that you can use. You can come up right up here, and it's the blue. There's green is the easiest, pink's middle, and blue. In the blue level, it's the only level that you can create custom reports. Formatting, you're going to format in design mode. Design mode can be found right here. Click on it, and this pops up. You can format text in the text box. See, you have here, you click that. Under the length column, you can do the same thing. And it has it for every single. And there's also, you can put in shapes and make it look different. So here's your different options with inserting a shape, line color, fill color. You can use that. If you say you select a shape, you click on it, and you can choose basic shapes, different shapes you want, fun ones like there. This can be part of something. You can change the color of it, pink, it's that side of it. You can fill it with purple, make it look different.
The Standard Reports feature allows you to view table and column reports in all levels. At all levels, you can use the available formatting options to enhance the appearance of the report on screen. The Table and Column Report buttons on the Filters and Reports tab will quickly display a report. To view a table report, select the Filters and Reports tab. Click the Table Report button. Records are displayed in the standard table report. To view a column report, select the Filters and Reports tab. Click the Column Report button. Records are displayed in a standard column report.
Since this is an Excel program, it uses a spreadsheet to chart information, and also you can make different types of charts here. By using the database first, you pick one. Say you're teaching your class about the different states. Information about each state. You say you want to teach your children about this. You have them go on here. This is good means of presentation, showing them a chart, which is easy to read and easy to understand. And you have all your states in alphabetical order, and it shows the state, the capital, and all different other information that may be needed to be learned in the curriculum. You can, if you're going to make you can tell your kids as means of expression. You can ask your kids to make a spreadsheet themselves showing animals, different animals, and this is for younger grades. And you can tell them to pick their favorite 5 animals. So say we have whales, and we want to go to, and then we want to find, say, a picture of a whale. Click here, a whale, and you can have your kids design, whatever color they want their whale to be. They can choose, and they can just fill it in. This could be really fun for the kids. They may really enjoy this. So press check mark, and you can put that. You can make it a smaller size to fit the screen, and you can move it around and put it wherever you need to put it. And you can, and you can just, there's different, if you go to this Max Paint, there's just different, all different things you can, you can draw and everything, and this makes it very neat for the kids in the classroom. They can really enjoy this. MaxData provides a platform for data handling, from the first steps of simple representation of data to learning database concepts such as fields, field types, records, tables, filters, and designing reports. This is great for any classroom.